हेलो बच्चों, चलो सीखते हैं ABCD। देखो मेरे पास कितने सारे कलर्स हैं। ये है कलर पेंसिल। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। A. A for ant. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for drum. D for drum. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. One. One. Two. Two. Three. Three. Four. Four. Five. Five. Six. Six. Seven. Seven. O for orange. O for orange. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Eight. Eight. Nine. Nine. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching.